You're on the Dirty Side Gets Down YouTube channel, and today we are installing a wireless bridge for some extra internet in the shop. You don't want to miss this.
Dirty Side gets technical. We may not know everything, but our stuff almost always works sometimes.
The way this place is set up, the modem and router is kind of far from the shop, and really have not had great internet in the 12 years or so that I've had this place. So today we're going to install this wireless bridge and see if we can sort out some better internet here. So I guess this is pronounced Uku wireless bridge. I'm not 100% sure, but this is what you're looking for. Now the ad claims 1.86 mile range on this device, 3 kilometers for everyone else in the world, I'm not sure. I really only need to go like 100 feet, but I'm gonna force it to go through 2 walls to do it. Eventually I probably will mount these things outside because they are meant to be mounted outside, but for right now it's just running wires and things like that. It's just easier to try this, so if it works well through walls, it's definitely gonna work outside. So you can see here is the house. Right about here in the house is where the modem and the router is, and over here is the shop. Alright, so real quick we're going to do a speed test for before. So I got 10.6 download and 6.09 upload. Hopefully we can improve that. I got some instructions, which we don't need those. Got some cables here. We definitely don't need those. These are the transmitters and receivers. Pretty simple. We got some clamps if you want to mount it to a pipe. This is concave, so you can put a pipe there with the clamps. And here's the power adapter. Just plug this into an outlet. Plug your power cable into there. I've never seen anything like this before, but apparently they get powered through the RJ45 connector. So this is going to be interesting to see on it. Alright, so the setup is super easy. You just put one end of your cable in here. You put the other end of your cable in here. Your next cable goes in here. And that one goes in here. You want to make sure that switch there, one is on A and one is on B. You should be good to go. Alright, we are all hooked up and time for a speed test again. Wow! What a difference. So this is going about 100 feet through 2 walls. I mean, that's amazing. I've never had internet anywhere near that fast out here in the shop. So maybe we can do some live feeds or something. Who knows? It really changes the game here. I wish there was a way that I could test the 1 mile range or so. That'd be awesome, but I just don't really have a way to test that. But I mean, 100 feet through 2 walls, I'd say the thing really is delivering on the promise. I'll put a link in the description for this. Hopefully you can pick one up if you need it. I definitely recommend it. It's amazing. Like, subscribe, share. We'll see you in the next one.